Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, real quick here, this video is for those people who own Lincoln Town Car and a lot of other big body. So if your seat, the back of your seat, it got stuck either straight or in a position that won't move, but when you hit this, you can still hear the noise of the motor working. Then this is what you're gonna do. If it's not moving, this is gonna be your fix. You're gonna have to unbolt the seat. Don't unplug anything. If you're gonna unplug one of those connectors, especially for the airbag, you're gonna have to unplug the battery for 3 minutes. You gotta unplug the battery, wait 3 minutes, and then you can unplug that. But in this case, we're not gonna unplug it, so we just use the socket 313 and 118 in the back to flip the seat like this so we can see the motor. So it has 3 motors here on the bottom, but that's for the sliding, going up and down, back and forth. The one you're looking for the back, for this one, is gonna be right under this right here. There's a motor right there. So like I said, if it's making noise, that means the motor's still good. It just came off the bracket, the 2 bolts that hold it. There's 2 bolts that hold it right there. As you can see right there, they broke off. Now the motor has a little cable that spins. So all you gotta do to make it work again, you stick, you see it right there. Watch the cable when I push the switch. You see that moving? So all you gotta do, you just gotta stick it back in the hole in there, hold it in position, and then you can adjust your seat where you need it to be. If you want to do a permanent fix, you're gonna have to screw the motor back in there in place somehow. This on the bolt, they broke. I don't know if they sell longer bolts, or we're gonna have to provide another way to hold that in there. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and that's the fix for this. Alright, so this is the fix we got. I put a zip tie going, wrapping it around, so you can pick up this cover here on the side, and then you can get to it easier. You can shoot another screw here on the top if you want, and one on the bottom if you can. So I put 2 zip tie, one wrapping it around and one going all the way from the back to the front. You can see it right there. And what I'm gonna do now, because I think what happened was there was too much pressure on this side and the motor, the 2 bolts broke, because I saw a little piece somewhere back there. I saw the head of the screw that came off. That's okay. So what I'm gonna do now, just to be safe, I'm gonna put a small screw right here. I'm gonna put a small tappet right there just to hold that motor from going down. So it's just really small tappet. It's not gonna go through the whole motor. So just on that plastic right there, just to be safe. So let me do that. All right, so there you have it. So I put a tappet. Show you exactly the one I put in. So I just put one of these. See, it's not that long. I put that in. Now, see, it's back to new. So now just put everything back. Try to vacuum all that stuff there. Alright, so there you have it. Let me bring the seat back. So now you can see the back. Just like new. Alright, and maybe you can take this off and you can get to the motor without moving. If This is only if you're working on the back of it, like I say. So if you're working on the bottom, if it's had to do with this one, with the bottom, you're gonna have to take off the seat. If it's just this one and it's making noise, that it's working, it's spinning, but it's not moving it, then you can lift this cover. You can lift this cover off here, lift up the seat, and there's gonna be the motor. So remember, we put 2 zip tie and 1 screw. You can do it either way you want to do it, but that's the way it's gonna be fixed. You can also put another screw from here, from this side. All right. See you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share, and be safe.